Okay, well, I came out to fill up my washer fluid and I see the cap is pretty much crapped out. So I thought, well, this would be a good project for video. I'm going to take some dimensions here of the inside, outside, thin dimensions, and we're going to print one. I'll put this up on the Fusion 360, create a CAD file, put it up on the 3D printer, and print one out in TPU, flexible TPU. So we'll see how it goes here. I'm overdubbing this because the audio really sucked when I made the video. 2 1. I was gonna call it 2 1 1. Kind of hard to do one-handed. .22. I want this one to be a little bit looser fit, so we're going to go 2.23. Yeah, we're going to go 30. Okay, so made a rough drawing underneath at the lip there. It was 2.11, and because I gave a little bit of tolerance, we're going to call that 2.23. Now I need to get the height of the lip, and I'm going to need 2 hands to do this, so I'll just measure and show you afterward. Okay, this distance here, 0.113, and to give it a little extra, we're going to call it a 0.1. Let's say 8. Give it a few thousandths extra. That way I've got a little bit of play in there to adjust for the TPU shrinkage rates and such. So I got that underside, and how I'm going to do this, the cap, we want, as you can see, hopefully you can see there, that's kind of the profile that I want to capture. You see there's a bit of a bead on the edge there. Oh, that's better. Now you can see. So that's kind of the profile I'm going to capture, and it's going to be TPU, so should be able to snap it on. It's going to stretch a little bit. The thermopolyurethane, I think, TPU, thermopolyurethane, yeah, whatever, it's the plastic stuff. All right, so I'm going to go model this up and then get it set up on the printer. Well, just finished. Pulled it off the printer and bring it over to the Honda and see how it works. Looks pretty good. And being TPU, it's nice and flexible. Alright, here we go. Test fit. Now it's a little bit snug. I got the hole size right for the keeper. That's good. There we go. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Snap it on. There we go. From idea to design to prototype in about 6 hours. That's one because the printer took so long. Printing time was 5 hours and 28 minutes, I believe, because I had it set on the really slow, dense speed. As TPU has a tendency to get stringy and nasty if you try to print too fast. But yeah, cool. No more bugs getting down in my washer fluid. Stay tuned for more, folks. See you later.